Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ya gwikora igitindikiririo ni mwena wa Mung'Ethaniro utungata-ini wao angikorwo mibango iria irarirwo ni Ngwataniro ya Azimio ni gukinyanira na igie no umithio. Umwe wa mibango ino ni wigii kuumbwo kwa ndundu ya aminista mwena wa Mung'Ethaniro aria mari mulikaga uria aruna wa mwena wa thirikari mararuta wira.
Thirikari ino itukumithondekera shadow cabinet tondu ni thirikari irokire na gukorwo wathani-ini through propaganda na ciiraniro itangihinga tutikwenda kuingira mutego-ini ucio.
Ona kono urikane president akiaria arikia gucagurwo ni oigire ati ni kuhe opposition opportunity yao ya gucakaga thirikari. Uguo ingera gwiciria ria guthondeka shadow cabinet nimekuwa active.
It will be strategic for Azimio, even if it's not a shadow cabinet, but to have personalities, to have offices within its organization.
President William Ruto arathondekire ndundu ya minista 22 na atongoria Azimio maugite to nginya ministry ciao iringane na cia thirikari.
Tutogo tutina thirikari, it is a shadow cabinet na ministries ni tugucithondeka na tutigucithondeka ihana-ini na iria irathondekirwo tondu iria to achieve a political objective.
Koragwo effective tondu sometimes hiya ikorwo thirikari na irathii mugaru no ria yagirwo ni gukorwo igika. Andu acio ni mareisaga aram makoiga cahu atirathii wega.
Mubango ungi uria mwena wa Mung'Ethaniro ukuhuthira ni gutigirira amemba o thiini wa kamiti citiganite cia bunge mari na hinya na umenyo wa maundu matiganite maria mararirio kamiti-ini icio.
Ta thiini wa Azimio ni kurora hinya wa members aria turi nao na tukamekira committees iria magukorwo mari relevant niguo makika contributions ciao ikorwo iri informed.
We are going to go about our duty of checking this government without any form of fear or favor.
But I think what wins the game, and especially in the long run, is the alternative, communication, the alternative programs and ideas and plans that Azimio may have.
Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ni wokoretwo agitanywo gutuika uthio wa mwena wa Mung'Ethaniro ona gutuika mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka akoretwo akionekana gukorwo na nyota ya gutongoria Mung'Ethaniro na kuri na kiuria kia ni muoroto uriku Kalonzo ari naguo na kana ni akuhota kuihuria iratu cia Raila.
Ucio no Kalonzo uria tuwi ti Kalonzo ungi no uria tuwi wa gukorwo haha gwatuke haria.
It appears like he's fighting for the people, but this, for him, is looking for a stake.
There is no such thing as leader of opposition in our constitution right now. So nobody can ask of Raila to assume that role.
Kuma githurano gitafanio mwena wa Mung'Ethaniro ni ukoretwo na mweke wa kuonania mahinya maguo no ningi uthiite uhotetwo maundu-ini matiganite kuma kwaga giturwo gia speaker bunge-ini ciiri gute mweke wa gutuika mwena uria uri na wigi wa abunge na kana Mung'Ethaniro ni wonanitie ndwara ciaguo ni ndereti iri metha-ini.
But so far kinya hara tukinyete matire mark up na any issue, serious issue kana any serious criticism kana sincere criticism.
I don't think we have missed anything because you have seen we have already voiced ourselves about this GMO of lifting the ban on GMOs.
Ripoti ya BBI ni kwari na riendekithia ria kuumbwo kwa wabici ya Mung'Ethaniro na ikaheo mbeca cia kuigana ni thirikari niguo uria wahotwo githurano kinene agakorwo na njira ya kurora thirikari na atongoria matiganite ni maugite ati uyu ni undu uri na bata ona nginyagia ihinda-ini riri.
Personally, I would of course readily support any initiative to strengthen opposition within or outside parliament.
BBI should be brought back and the office of opposition leader should be created with full funding.
If every member did their role, it wouldn't be required of us to amend any section of our law.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.